Hi, in today's video I'll be reviewing Pocket Option, a binary options trading platform. So when I first began my forex trading journey, I started with IQ Option, and as you can see, this was on July 2nd 2018, of about 4 years ago. But as of now, I moved away from binary options and went to forex. From forex I went to trading indices from Deriv. Okay, so there are a lot of binary trading options out here. There's Pocket Option, there's Expert Option, and Olymp Trade. Okay, so these are some of the most popular binary options trading platforms, and the most one I've tried to use is this one. And I've tried using this one, but I never really got to create a real account, to just on a demo account. But in today's video, I'm going to try out Pocket Option. It's been trending these days. I don't know why it's trending that much. That is why I've decided to make a video and try out the platform and see how it is, if there's anything nice than the rest of these. Okay, so this is how the homepage looks like. Okay, it looks similar to IQ Option. On the right sidebar, you can get to create an account or log in using social media platforms. Okay, so according to their website, the minimum amount you can deposit is $50, which is bad because with these others, the minimum you can deposit is actually $10. The minimum you can trade is $1. Okay, this is the same with others, same $1. Virtual money does not really matter that much. 10,000 is a lot. Okay, 50 plus payment method. This should be good. Okay, but I'm sure it's just the same with others. Then no commission on deposit and withdraw. Just the same with others. Access for trading 100 plus. Not really sure about this, if it's any good than the others. Okay, so why Pocket Option? Well, Pocket Option has got a flexible trading for quick trading, MT5. Oh, okay. I think this is why it is better than the others, because you won't only trade using their platform. You can also connect your MetaTrader 5 or 4. Okay, and we can get to have payouts of up to 218%. When it comes to IQ Option, I think you can only get up to 80%, 78, 99. You cannot go above 100. Maybe that is why it's trending. Okay, so comprehensive education. Okay, we'll check this out later. Is it deposits and withdrawals? Okay, I just would like to know how long how long withdrawals take. High customer loyalty, trading advantages, indicators and signals. Okay, they also provide signals. This is good. Okay. Oh, I see. So you can also download the platforms. Well, IQ Option also has got these applications for Windows, for iPhone, Android, and the web application. But let me try to download this one for Windows and see how it is. Unfortunately, this link is not working. I don't know if it's my internet connection or if it's just their website. So we'll try to download later. Okay, so I guess I've reached the end of the platform. So if you'd like to create an account with Pocket Option, I'll include the link in the description. You can just search for Pocket Option, click the first link and create an account. So let's try to find out about the company, what they have written, because I know nothing about it. Yeah, so this is the About Us page for Pocket Option, and their mission is to provide the most innovative trading experience. Okay, sounds to be good. 100,000 active users, 500 million trading turnover, 95 countries and regions. Oh, $850 average trading income per month. Okay, this is good. This is interesting. So on average makes about $800 a month. So I hope I'll be able to make something like this as well when I try out this platform. Okay, so they're claiming that it was launched in 2017. Now I'm surprised why I am knowing it in 2022. So where has it been all this time? So I'm not really sure how and where, but let me just try to find out if it was really launched in 2017. Okay, well, this might be true. The domain itself was created in 2016, but it looks like it was registered in 2017. So, okay, this is good, but yeah, I can trust that. So what else can we try to find out? Well, okay, so let's try out the trading dashboard and see how it is, like its features, if it's any better than the previous ones I've used in the past. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pocket Option. So let me just try to enter in full screen mode. Okay, so I can now focus on this. So this is actually the deposit page, and I can actually deposit using my Visa, Skrill, Tetone, Perfect Money, Advanced Cash, some cryptocurrencies. Okay, so there's also a thing called profile level. So a stranger without a deposit. So as for me, I have not yet deposited anything. So if I deposit something less than 100 to be a newbie and so on. Okay, so the minimum deposit is $50, which is quite bad. Yeah, because I'm used to depositing small amounts such as $10, and there's no commission, quick withdrawals. Okay, so I'm going to try out depositing and withdrawing, and I'm going to see how long it takes. So the minimum withdrawal amount is $10, so this is good. So in case you lose the $50 and you remain with 10, you can withdraw the 10. Okay, so this is the deposit. Let's see the withdrawal page. Okay, so to withdraw money from balance to your bank, I don't think I'd use for depositing. Okay, your withdrawal requests are processed within 3 business days. Well, 3 business days is not quick at all. Okay, for example, in the Reef, I get withdrawals in within 24 hours, so this is not good at all. So what is this part from here? Myself, open a personal save for savings and receive passive income of up to 10% per annum. So this is something new. IQ option does not have this, where like you can earn like 10% per annum. Per annum has to be per year. I don't really think this is. So I can choose a save like, oh, I can as well choose a duration. I'm interested in the 3 months. Okay, so like in 3 months, if I deposit $100, okay, I deposit $100, and what is monthly top up? Okay, monthly top up, I'll put it to 0. Okay, so in 3 months I'll earn $3. Well, I feel as if this is something I can just make in an hour or so. I think the safe one is good for bigger amounts. Let us say you should deposit the $1,000. Yeah, then in 3 months you can earn $28. Okay, this is good. This is not a get rich quick scheme, but this is something more good. I think I could make use of this one. Like, if you're making losses in trading, you can actually earn with this method, like 10% in 3 months. Okay, there's also the 12 months one. Let us see how much I earn. So in 12 months, I actually earn about $100, which is okay, good. Okay.